Xingyi is an expression of the mind's intention. It's about aligning one's willpower with physical action. It is about movement, body, bones, breath. To use Xingyi, you must balance the mind. To use Xingyi, the entire body must choose to fight.
Yo, that was crazy.
When we see him next Well, well. Look who finally decided to show. You got my money?
No, Kyle. You have my money. And I want it back. It wasn't even mine. It was my mom's.
So you're a tough guy now, Because that stupid janitor saved you once? What, you think you're untouchable? Well, look around! Who's gonna save you now?
Stay still for a few moments. That'll help with the swelling.
What's the point? He's stronger than me.
Well, strength is important, but courage is paramount.
At least if I bail, I don't get beat up.
Well, cowards die many times before their deaths, and you've proven to him you're no easy prey.